Well, it's another day of non-skid here at the Free Spirit. I'm just going to finish up these rails that I didn't get done and do a little touch up here and there. It's really hot out. Probably not the best day to be painting, but gotta get this done. Got a big camping trip coming up soon.
Tell me how to act and who to love and how to fight. Interconnected, we all sound just the same. And you'd sell it all just to look like them. You'd give it all away. Make sure it's failing, make sure it's burning bright. Interconnected, but I don't know your name. Only what's inside your stream, it gives you all away. In came the thunder like a drunken bouncer, curb the fate of another easy answer. I sting the fate in every face I see. Do I give up on people, or they give up on me?
Hello. I am now sitting in the cabin, which is mostly done. I'm going to show a little reveal of the whole boat later, but I just wanted to share an update on our progress so far. I've still yet to do the deck coat, but you know, everything's cured up. The non-skid looks pretty good, and we are preparing for a weekend trip across the lake. I'm out here today on a rainy day, just kind of prepping some stuff, and we're going to take off for 3 days and do our first big trip in the Free Spirit.
washed up little satellite, keep the river on your right. Deliver us inside, deliver us from sight. Punched out little cigarette, you're being murdered by a friend. And if you hurt, you'll hurt again. And if you hurt, you'll hurt again. Little crystalline, we never say just what we mean. We never say God.